Howdy-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. I'm out observing, or about to observe at the Star Party, and I'd actually done some other videos that I haven't edited or posted yet, so I'm going to be doing this one first, where I was actually cleaning this telescope up. But now I'm going to go ahead and assemble it, and you'll see. Okay, go ahead and back up. How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
All right.
I hope I'm not interrupting the video.
That's all right.
Don't worry. I've got like 400 subscribers. It's not like I have the highest video quality in the world.
Hey, I don't have any subscribers, so you got me beat by a long shot. Is that a 14-inch or 16-inch?
12 and a half.
12 and a half? Okay.
It's actually pretty compact for a 12 and a half. Anyway, usually you have like a 16-inch tube for a 12 and a half, and this has got, well, the top piece there is a 14 tube. So,
I'll be right back.
it's all right. I should probably have some running commentary for this, but hey, you can watch what I'm doing here.
As you can see,
show what I'm actually doing.
As you can see, the old man is building his telescope.
Yeah, look, these are back up.
You told me to come in close.
I did, yeah. These are truss tubes. This makes the tube, and over here, take a look. If you can see it, there's I have these things that this eye bolt clamps into a little stud there, tightens it down.
That's some nice arm hair, Dad.
Oh, great, yeah. Hey, back up. We got 8 of these. Okay, right. You can back up now. Lighting's probably pretty bad with this bright sunlight, but hey, get used to bad lighting in my videos anyway, so here. Since this is natural, it's not my fault, so you can blame it on me. So, now once you go back up to a full, so you can see me the whole way, back over there. No, over here so I'm not in the shadow. I'm just going to post this as is. It's not a short, but...
Oh, now I know why you wanted me to come with you.
No, I'm used to doing this by myself.
Ow, crap, that hurts.
So I didn't mind having you. Actually, this... What do you... Here.
My finger was scratchy.
Okay. This is the top of the business end of the scope. Well, actually, the whole thing's a business end. But at the top, I've got these bolts with wing nuts. There's actually... This was an easy way, you can see 4 different spots. So, after I built this, there's actually a better way to do it. But, well, I don't know if I want to call it better, because it actually, you can use tubes that are just straight tubes with no special, stuff added to them at all. But you need to make the telescope box bigger, because the way they clamp in uses a lot more space. So I never changed it. I like how compact this is. Did I get all 4 already? I guess I did. I was so busy blabbing, I lost track of what I was doing. Not like that's the first time that's ever happened.
One of the fun things about being your cameraman is that I can take liberties into how your video is done.
Oh, great.
Yeah, it's really fun. Especially
You're like
when you.
zooming in on my butt or something.
No, I just no. I can. I think one
Okay,
time.
great. I'm glad I'm giving you ideas then.
One time I put it upside down. I think for a while.
Well, hope not.
Purposefully.
My videos are.
Getting a close up of what you're doing.
So close that you can't see. Looking at an elephant with a microscope.
Take that, Dad. I actually did it well.
Well, I got a couple more things to do. Just final. Oh, darn it! I forgot to do a. Oh, darn it! Oh well. I actually have a lead counterweight that I put on this tube here, and I think I left it in
The car.
the car. I actually brought it over here, but I think I picked it up and walked back with it. I sure hope I didn't lose it. Otherwise, this will be almost non-functional. This is a
He
spotting
probably
scope.
did.
This is a call a spotting scope, but it's actually a 3-inch refractor telescope that I built. Also, I made all the structure on this. I didn't make any of the optics.
Wait a minute. I have a
But
question.
this is made out of an aluminum tube and pieces of PVC pipe and stuff. And this is a focuser out of an old.
Question.
Out of an old microscope that I found somewhere.
Question.
Okay, wait, go back over there and show what I'm doing.
Well, I
No, you
can't
got
really.
a question? You can
I
ask.
can't. Well, it's kind of important, but okay.
Okay, what's the question?
Have you blurred my face in every single one of your videos?
I've never blurred your face.
Oh, okay, that's great. You're just not allowed. You're just not allowed to link my channel in
Yeah.
whenever I start my YouTube channel.
Here we go. There it is. Actually, come over here and let's get one final shot with me and the scope. Okay?
Why'd you take the phone away?
Because I wanted to show the whole thing.
Well, you could have said, "Here, show me."
This is how it works. And actually, once you take these wheelbarrow wheels off, it's also actually. Let's go ahead and do that. Might as well.
My gosh, there's a Pomeranian over there. Oh no, it's not a Pomeranian. It's a different type of kickable dog. That tail, though, my gosh, looks like a cotton swab.
Easily moves. Point it wherever you want. I'm not sure if do what you can with what you have where you are applies to this, but hey, there
Didn't
we
you
go.
technically do what you could with what you had where you were?
I did.
So there you go. It
This
does
isn't
apply.
exactly. This is definitely not redneck build or repair. So, what was your? Oh, okay. I guess that's it. Thanks y'all for following along. God bless y'all, and see you next time.